Hello YouTubers, Tim Townley here, and today we're going to talk about this double slider. Really cool travel slider that you can use pretty much anywhere. You can bring it with you outdoors, you can put it in the studio, you can use it there, whatever you want. It has a lot of little features on it that you need to know about. Now let's check out this cool budget slider. First thing is, this is a double slider. What is a double slider? Well, when it's put on a tripod or a light stand and it's mounted properly, you can see that it travels double the distance of its length. That's why it's called a double slider. Now you can lock that right back off. Now the length of this one is 15.7 inches or 40 centimeters. But when you're on the tripod or light stand like it is here, you can travel twice that distance, which in this case is 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters. That's really cool, right? So when you're mounted on a table, only travel this distance. When you're mounted on a tripod or a light stand, you get to go double the distance. Double the distance, half the size. That's great, right? Now this thing is on a rail system, makes it nice and smooth because it has 16, you heard me, 16 bearings. 16 ball bearing style rollers that go on this rail system here. Really, really smooth. So we'll unlock this and you can see how smooth that is. I'll put in some footage here so that you can see how smooth this is on other videos that I've shot on other projects, and it has come in very handy. Now this thing is made solid. It's made out of aluminum alloy, which makes this thing solid. Like I've dropped this a few times and haven't had any problems whatsoever. Now let's lock that back off. Now the other cool thing about this slider is that it's adjustable for your comfort. So in the package, which this is the package that it includes, is this nice kind of, I don't even know what this material is called. It's a nice package, has soft padding, all that kind of stuff on it. But it comes with an Allen key, and it also comes with a 3/4 inch adapter so that you can put on other things like fluid head or other kind of mounts and stuff like that. But the cool thing here, this is the cool thing. You ready? You ready? The Allen key can adjust different parts of this on the ball bearings, so it can make it either a little bit easier or less resistant. So it can change the resistance of this slider. Like this the way I have it right now, it's not so bad. So I don't need to adjust it, but you can adjust it. If you want to adjust it, you can adjust it. No problem. You just use this Allen key. Okay? So I'm going to take it off this light stand and we're going to take a look at a few of the other features here. Move that out of the way. Now on top here it has a 1/4 inch screw so you can put in your camera directly, but I don't recommend that. Don't put your camera in there directly because you have no more control over it once it's on there. It could be sitting crooked and that's not good. So what I recommend, grab yourself a ball head, not included in this package, put that ball head on there and you can adjust it any way you want. Now, if you want to put your fluid head on there, like I said before, it does come with a 3/4 inch adapter and that is super convenient. So put your fluid head on there, you got it smooth rolling, and you can adjust it so you can do pan and you can do a slide at the same time, a pan and slide, which makes it really cinematic and really cool and easy to use. Now on the bottom side here, you can see that it has two options for you, and you don't need an adapter this way. You can use the normal 1/4 inch screw and you can put your light stand in there or whatever. The other one is the 3/4, so you can put it directly onto a tripod, no problem. Easy peasy, right? Now, since we're looking at the bottom of this, we might as well look at some of the other features on the bottom, which is the 4 feet that come with it, non-slip pads on there. You can adjust it if you're on uneven surface. It's not a lot of adjustment, but you can still adjust it. What else does this come with? Well, it's belt driven, has this aluminum alloy rails. That's really cool. And then on top here, if you want to make sure things are level, you can use the bubble level. Well, there's the bubble level. If you don't know how to use that, go find another YouTube channel to use that, because I'm not gonna tell you how to use a bubble level. It's pretty easy. What else? That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, what's the cons of this thing? Well, it's not motorized, but that's not why you buy it. You buy it because it's not motorized. If you want motorized, you go buy something else. But the other con is that if you don't keep it clean, it's not going to work very well. So make sure you keep those ball bearings clean. Make sure you keep your rails clean, both upper and lower, because those ball bearings are on both sides. Make sure they're clean. If they're clean, you're not going to have any issues. But if they're not, you're going to have some issues. So make sure that's clean, and this thing is good to go. Super easy, budget-friendly travel double slider for you. If you want to check it out some more, go to the Amazon link in the description below and give it a click. Go check it out. Buy it if you want. If you don't want, don't buy it. If you want, buy it. Yeah, let's keep this YouTube channel going, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.